What's the meaning of all time? All time. All time. All time. All time. All time.
The term all-time refers to the entirety of a period of time, typically spanning from the beginning of recorded history to the present day. It encompasses all events, people, and phenomena that have occurred throughout human existence, without limitation to any particular era or location. Using this term implies a broad perspective and an awareness of the continuity of human history, as well as a recognition of the ongoing nature of progress and change. Overall, the concept of all-time serves to contextualize present-day events and achievements within the larger scope of historical development.